Hi, I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself to you at Potential Church. My name is Angeline Bell, and I've been married for going on 11 years to my wonderful husband, Seth Bell. And I'm also a parent to a parrot. I'm a parrot parent to a crazy but awesomely lovable parrot named Squawkers Bell. So, as far as things I love to do, one of the things I love to do is anything outdoor related. I love to trail run, I love to hike, canoeing, kayaking, ultra running, just about anything you can think that's outdoor related, I will probably like to do it. But really my number one passion has to do with worship. See, it has been about 10 years since the Lord has put that call in my heart to be a worship leader. And how it started out was I started out as a support vocalist about 12 years ago at Calvary Chapel, Jupiter, Florida. And we had this fasting as a church, and I was seeking the Lord on what it was that He wants me to do with my life. And it was at that time that I firmly believed that He told me that I want you to lead my people into worship. So over the years, I watched Him do some really amazing things in my life and in my heart, and just grow the gifts and the passions and desires that He put in my life. And I've also had the opportunity to work with people and to help orchestrate vocal practices and work with people in a band practice setting. So what I'm really, really passionate about, besides worshiping and besides, helping draw people closer to the Lord, is helping people develop their calling, specifically in a worship context. Our future worship leaders, our future vocalists and musicians. My hope is, since I'm an encourager at heart, to encourage people to draw out those gifts and help them to hone those gifts, and really to step out fearlessly and boldly into the very things that Jesus wants them to be and the things that He wants them to do. So my hope is to be part of a vibrant, growing church such as Potential Church, and to be able to really live out that part of my call to, as a worship leader, help develop other worship leaders and help encourage people to step out and become the very thing that they are called to do. So as you pray and as you seek God on who that person might be, I really hope and pray that you would at least consider me, Angelina Bell, as you go through your search. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.